Have you ever felt a quiet voice inside, nudging you to do what's right? That is your conscience. The inner guide that helps you distinguish right from wrong, shaping your choices, building integrity, and leading you toward honesty, courage, and a life filled with true values. And that is the gentle life lesson this beautiful story leaves for us. Hello, my dear friends, dear children, and story lovers. Welcome back to our channel, Short Stories for You and Me, with Sai Parnika Sood and Arun Lata. This is another charming spell of a short story. The Fox and the Silver Bear. Deep in the Emerald Forest lived a clever fox named Lumo. It was famous for his quick mind and quicker tricks. One evening, while wandering near a moonlit clearing, Lumo discovered a small silver bell lying beside a sleeping traveler's bag. It shimmered softly, as if whispering secrets. Lumo's eyes sparkled. No one will miss it, he thought, reaching out with his paw. But just then, a gentle voice echoed within him. Quiet yet firm. Is cleverness meant to take what is not yours? Lumo froze. He looked around, but the forest was silent. The voice returned, warmer now. Listen to me. I am your conscience. His heart thumped. He imagined the joy of owning the bell and the sadness of the traveler waking without it. The silver bell chimed softly as the breeze touched it, sounding almost like a question. All night, Lumo wrestled with his thoughts. At dawn, the traveler stirred. Lumo stepped forward, placed the bell beside the bag, and gently rang it. The traveler awoke, smiled, and bowed in gratitude, believing the fox to be a forest guardian. As the traveler left, the forest seemed brighter. The trees rustled happily, and the birds sang louder than before. Lumo felt something new, lighter than pride, stronger than cleverness. From that day on, whenever Lumo faced a choice, he paused and listened to the quiet guide within. He discovered that true wisdom was not in tricking others, but in heeding the inner voice that knows right from wrong. And so, the clever fox became known not for his tricks, but for his truth. My dear friends, dear children and story lovers, hope this captivating spell of short story must have touched your heartstrings and captured another life lesson of core human value, that is truth. It reminds us, always listen to the quiet voice within. Your conscience is your guide to making the right choices, even when it's hard. While we prepare to bring you another beautiful story, stay blessed and happy. Conscience is the voice of God within. Follow it and you can never go wrong.